Hey there, kitchen enthusiasts! Today we're diving into the top 14 kitchen gadgets from Amazon.com that will revolutionize the way you cook. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting your culinary journey, these innovative tools are designed to save you time, effort, and maybe even a little sanity. Stick around because you won't want to miss our ultimate favorites that can make your cooking experience a breeze. Let's get cooking. The Cambo Manual Food Chopper Vegetable Cutter is the ultimate solution for quick and easy kitchen prep. Designed with a strong nylon drawstring and 3 stainless steel blades, this chopper effortlessly handles everything from vegetables to fruits and nuts. Just a few pulls of the string give you the perfect chop whether you're looking for a rough cut or a fine mince. Made with BPA-free, food-safe materials, its sturdy ABS lid and anti-skid base ensure safety and stability during use. The Zule Kitchen 6-piece wooden utensil set is crafted from premium teak wood, offering durability and elegance for all your cooking needs. These high-quality utensils are perfect for non-stick cookware, ensuring a scratch-free experience while stirring, serving, or flipping. Designed for easy cleaning, simply rinse and dry them for your next use. The set brings a touch of sophistication to your kitchen, making it a beautiful addition or a perfect gift for any cooking enthusiast. Upgrade your kitchen today with the timeless style of the Zule wooden utensil set. The Cambo Rotary Cheese Grater Hand Crank Shredder is designed to make shredding and slicing effortless. With 3 stainless steel blades for coarse shredding, fine shredding, and slicing, this hand crank grater can handle a variety of ingredients like cheddar, mozzarella, parmesan, radishes, carrots, and even nuts. Its non-slip suction base ensures safe, stable operation on surfaces like marble or glass, making it ideal for quick and efficient use. Made from BPA-free food-grade materials, this grater is easy to clean, dishwasher-safe, and requires no electricity. A perfect tool for any kitchen. The Cole Mason Derwent Pepper Grinder in gunmetal offers precision and style for your kitchen. Featuring a gourmet precision mechanism with 6 adjustable grinding levels, this manual pepper mill allows you to choose from fine to coarse pepper with ease. The durable acrylic body and stylish gunmetal finish make it not only functional but also a sleek addition to your countertop. Its mechanism strips spices down to individual layers for maximum flavor, while the refillable design ensures freshness by keeping moisture and dust at bay. A perfect seasoning tool for any cooking enthusiast, this grinder brings premium performance to your kitchen. The Vovoli cooking spoon is a versatile kitchen tool designed for non-stick cookware. This 2-pack set of 11.4-inch silicone spoons is perfect for mixing, scooping and scraping, making it a multifunctional tool for various cooking tasks. Made from food-grade silicone, it is both safe and durable, with a heat-resistant body and wooden handle that won't melt during cooking. The ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, and the non-stick material makes cleaning a breeze. Whether you're stirring, serving, or sautéing, this spoon is a reliable addition to any kitchen. The olive oil dispenser bottle from Showvigor is an essential kitchen accessory designed to store and dispense your favorite oils and vinegar. This 17 Oz square glass container features lead-free construction for health and environmental safety, ensuring peace of mind while you cook. The set includes 2 stainless steel pourers for mess-free pouring, a funnel for easy filling, a brush for cleaning, and labels for organization. With a dishwasher-safe design, maintaining this bottle is effortless. Versatile and stylish, it's perfect for any liquid flavoring agent, making it a great addition to your kitchen. The Full-Star Vegetable Chopper is your go-to tool for effortless meal prep, designed to simplify chopping vegetables and nuts. With sharp stainless steel blades, this hand chopper ensures even cutting for ingredients like potatoes, tomatoes, cucumbers, and carrots, reducing your prep time significantly. Crafted from BPA-free materials, it's not only safe but also dishwasher-safe for easy cleaning. The sleek silver design is durable and easy to store, making it a kitchen essential for both novice cooks and seasoned chefs. Experience professional-level slicing and dicing at home with the Full-Star Vegetable Chopper. The McCook knife set, featuring 15 pieces crafted from German stainless steel. This premium knife block set comes with a built-in sharpener, eliminating the hassle of honing blades on a sharpening steel. Each knife is designed with taper grind edge technology, ensuring optimum sharpness for precise cutting and easy resharpening. The knife's balanced weight fits comfortably in your hand, making them suitable for both professional chefs and beginners. This versatile set includes essential tools like an 8-chef knife, 5 santoku knife, and 6 serrated steak knives, all housed in a stylish wooden block. Whether for a special occasion or everyday cooking, the McCook knife set is your perfect kitchen companion. The NutriBullet Personal Blender. This 600-watt powerhouse blends fruits, vegetables, and more into delicious smoothies in no time. With a 24-ounce capacity, it's perfect for on-the-go nutrition. The simple design allows you to just push, twist, and blend. Cleaning is a breeze too. The set includes a motor base, extractor blade, to-go lid, and a recipe book. Experience effortless blending and kickstart Start your healthier lifestyle today with the NutriBullet, the KitchenAid KSMPRA stand mixer attachment. This 3-piece stainless steel set includes a pasta roller and cutters for spaghetti and fettuccine, allowing you to create fresh, homemade pasta effortlessly. With 8 thickness settings, you can roll 6-inch sheets to your desired thickness. Designed specifically for KitchenAid stand mixers, this attachment is easy to use and perfect for any pasta lover. Transform your kitchen into an Italian trattoria and enjoy delicious homemade pasta anytime. This magnetic bottle opener from Haigu is the perfect gift for camper lovers. Its fun, portable design makes it not only a handy bottle opener but also a cute fridge magnet. Made from durable zinc alloy with soft enamel colors, it easily sticks to any metal surface like your RV or home fridge. Ideal for camping, outdoor picnics, or just showing off your love for the camper lifestyle, this unique opener is a must-have accessory for any camping enthusiast. The silicone oven rack push-pull tool by Infraovens is a handy kitchen gadget designed for safely pulling out and pushing back hot oven racks without the need for bulky oven mitts. Made of durable, heat-resistant silicone, it can withstand temperatures up to 450 degrees and is dishwasher safe. The longer handle ensures safe use with all types of appliances like air fryer, toaster ovens, and convection ovens. The Scully basting brush by Ototo is a spooky, fun kitchen tool perfect for Halloween or goth kitchens. Made of BPA-free silicone, it's dishwasher safe with odor-resistant bristles. Ideal for coating food with marinades or sauces, this quirky brush adds a playful twist to your cooking routine and makes a great gift for gothic kitchen lovers. The Kongnai kitchen funnel set includes 4 collapsible food-grade silicone funnels perfect for transferring liquids and filling bottles. With heat resistance from 40 degrees C to 250 degrees C, they are safe and durable. The set features both large and small funnels in vibrant colors red, orange, blue, green, designed to save space with their foldable structure. Easy to clean and store, these funnels are great kitchen tools for cooking and baking. Dishwasher safe and backed by customer satisfaction, this set is a must-have for any kitchen. Thanks for joining us on this culinary adventure through the top 14 kitchen gadgets from Amazon.com. We hope you found some exciting tools to elevate your kitchen game. If you loved these gadgets as much as we do, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your fellow cooking aficionados. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing kitchen tips and gadgets. Let us know in the comments which gadget you can't wait to try. Until next time, happy cooking!